Hello LKG kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. So kids, let's start our section with the GK subject, in which you have to open your page number. So open your page number 8, in which today we will learn about sense organs. What is sense organs? There are 5 sense organs. कितने sense organs होते हैं? 5. They are eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. Okay? Eyes from which we can see, ears from which we can hear, nose from which we can smell, skin from which we can feel, tongue from which we can taste. Okay? So today we will learn some question and answer about our sense organs. Okay? So let's start. Do with our ears. What do we do with our ears? क्या करते हैं हम अपने ears से? What she is doing? She is hearing a phone call. वो एक phone call सुन रही है. So we hear with our ears. हम अपने कान से सुनते हैं. We hear with our ears. Okay. Next is, what do we do with our eyes? What do we do with our eyes? What he is doing with his eyes? He is studying. So we see with our eyes. हम अपनी आंखों से देखते हैं. Next is, what do we do with our nose? हम अपनी nose से क्या करते हैं? What she is doing? She is smelling. मैंने अभी बताया था ना, आप smell भी करते हैं, तो we smell with our nose. हम अपनी नाक से सूंघते हैं. Fourth one is, what do we do with our skin? What do we do with our skin? हम अपनी skin से क्या करते हैं? What he is doing? We feel with our skin. हम अपनी skin से feel करते हैं. जब आपको hurt होता है, कुछ होता है, तो आप अपनी skin से feel करते हैं. Okay? What do we do with our tongue? What she is doing? She is eating. By eating, she can taste. खाकर वो taste पता कर सकती है अपनी tongue से. So we taste with our tongue. हम अपनी tongue से क्या करते हैं? Taste लेते हैं. So kids, we have 5 sense organs. First is ear, then eyes, nose, skin and tongue. These are our sense organs. So you have to learn about our sense organs. Okay? आपको इनको बहुत अच्छे से learn करना है कि हमारे कितने sense organs होते हैं और हम उनसे क्या क्या करते हैं. So kids, do it well, learn it. Bye bye. So kids, now it's time for some written section in our workbook. Okay, so open your maths workbook and page number 31. Okay, sorry, and page number 14. Okay kids, so first you have to mention your date 31/07/20. Then what you have to do, write the numbers that comes in between. You know very well that how to write what comes between. आपको पता है कैसे लिखते हैं what comes between. You have done already in your notebook. So let's do it in your workbook. So first number is 2727 and here 2929. So what comes between 2727 and 2929? Count 2727, 28, 28, 29, 29. Next is 5 and 7. What comes between 5 and 7? 5, 6, 7. Next is 1919, 2121. What comes between them? 1919, 2020, 2121. Next is 1414. What comes after 14 and before 16 and in between them 14 and 16? It is 15. Okay, 14, 15, 16. So kids, as I have done these, you have to do EFG by yourself. Okay kids, now count and write your numbers. What comes in between. Okay, so do it well. Thank you. Bye bye. Now kids, open your book Push a Pencil, which is your cursive small book, and page number 15. Okay, in which today we have to do small cursive G. We have to trace the small cursive G. Write your date 31/07/20 and you have now start tracing. Trace and write the letter G on the following lines. You have to trace it as you have done yesterday. Okay, so do it. Start. I am going to tell you one. Rest it. Do by yourself. Like this. Okay, like this. Okay, next is ट्रेस एंड राइट द लेटर जी ट्विंस ऑन द फॉलोइंग लाइंस. अब आपको ये ट्विंस जी को राइट करना है लाइक दिस. सो डोंट टिप योर पेंसिल while you are writing this. Okay, this. Next, same as you have to do the both the lines. Write the long line letter G on the following line. अब आपको long line G trace करना है as you have done here. Okay, so trace it like this. This. Don't tip your pencil. Okay, this. Okay, so this way you have to do your whole page. So kids, write in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you. Bye bye. Now it's time for our Hindi workbook. Open your page number 14. Okay, in which you have to write बड़ा ऊ से ऊन और ऊंट. So mention your date 31/07/20. Now अब आपको बहुत सुंदर सुंदर लिखना है. Okay, follow these steps first, then write from here. I'm going to tell you first here. Rest do by yourself. This, and this. Okay, this way you have to do the whole page. Okay kids, so write in neat and clean handwriting. अगर आप बहुत अच्छे वर्क करेंगे, so I'll give you some stars or smileys. Okay kids, so do your whole page as you have done it in your notebook, so you know very well that how to write oo. Okay, bye bye.